Hello students, we will continue the topic which we had left yesterday. We had finished the synthetic fibers yesterday. We'll continue with the next topic, that is plastics. The name of the chapter is synthetic fibers and plastics. So we'll be seeing plastic. Now plastic is also a polymer. You have seen polymer is a chain of monomers. So plastic is also a polymer, and there are two type of arrangements, linear and cross-linked arrangement in plastics. You can see here linear arrangement in the form of a line and cross-linked arrangement. So plastic articles, why plastic is preferred by people? Because plastic article is available in all shapes and sizes. It is easily moldable, it can be easily folded or molded. It can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets or made into wires. Anything can be done with the plastics, and they are also available in wide variety of colors, so they are preferred. They have good strength and they are easy to handle. An example of plastic is polythene. Polythene, you know, polythene cover which you used, that is polythene. It is an example of plastic. Poly and ethene is polythene. Now a very important topic here, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. What is the difference between these two? Thermoplastic means the plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. So you can if you heat it, they will change their shape. That is thermoplastic. Example, polythene and PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. You might have heard PVC pipes. Thermosetting plastics are plastics which when molded once cannot be softened on heating. They cannot be again changed, like your crockery, kitchen crockery, that's made up of melamine. Bakelite switches are made up of bakelite. So what are bakelite and melamine? Just see here, bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, and so it is used for making electrical switches and handles of various utensils. So because they do not conduct electricity or they do not get heated quickly, that's why we use that. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat. So these are able to tolerate heat and they are better than other plastics. And so that is why they are used for making crockery. They are also used for making floor tiles. Now why is plastic preferred over metals? Because plastic is non-reactive. They do not react with water and air. Like iron nail, it gets rusted, whereas plastic will not get rusted. Plastic is light, strong and durable because you can mold them into various shapes and size, and they can remain for a longer time. They can be used for various purposes. Plastics are cheaper than metals, like copper vessel and aluminium vessel. If you go to buy that, plastic vessels would be cheaper. That's why people prefer that. Plastics are poor conductors. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires and all those handles, all those are made up of plastic, because they will not get heated quickly. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. So this is the reason why plastic is preferred over metals. Thank you.